Welcome to the new Samurai Workshop. A little more intimate and interactive in here as the space is smaller. And don't you love what I've done with it? It's really an efficient setup. And by efficient, I mean not set up at all. Everything is in a state of chaos, which seems to be my preferred state of being. But today we are going to try to make some sense of this. And we're going to build a chop saw station on this wall here. So we're going to hang some plywood with a French cleat onto the wall because this is a rental and I don't want to screw a ton of holes through the wall. So we're just going to do a couple cleats, hang some plywood on it, and then I can screw stuff to that plywood. And then we'll build a chop saw station because that's a pretty important thing to start with. And I am going to go run and grab materials while my buddies Ben and Adam clear off this little area here. Hey guys, you can just move the boxes, put them somewhere else, and I'll be back with materials in a bit. All right? Have fun with it.
You didn't even test it out on yourself, though. It's a rookie move.
I like having you around. You take the burden of the jokes off my shoulders.
He's got a few more years of dadding under his belt, you know, he doesn't miss an opportunity. He's a veteran.
I'm giving you a free pass to just let it go, you know. If you're feeling a strong dad joke, just release it to the universe.
Ben,
Yes, sir.
need your help in here.
Nice.
Money shots with Ben. Right about there. Alright, so we've got the initial cleat up on the wall here, and from here we're going to work on getting our sheets of plywood. We're standing them vertically. They're going to go up 8 feet, and I cut these short cleats here. So this, you know, for those of you who don't know how a French cleat works, have you been living under a rock? You don't know what a French cleat is? Like, it's basic construction. Gosh. No, just kidding. So I've cut 2 strips of plywood with 45 degrees on them. This one's screwed to the wall. And then I've cut these a little shorter than 4 feet. And we're gonna set these in The two angles wedge themselves together to keep it tight against the wall and bear the weight. And then we're gonna put some PL Premium Max on here, just construction adhesive, so that we get a good adhesion. And then we just lean up the plywood up against that, you know, the glue and the plywood, and then we'll put a couple screws through, and then just let that set. And then once it's set, at any time we can just lift that sheet of plywood up off because it's just hanging on the cleat. So it's a handy way to cover a wall without putting 100 screw holes in it and have it really strong, but also easy to remove at the same time.
In this video, I'm using LePage, which is a Canadian brand, and they happen to have the best adhesives available. If you're planning a renovation or construction project, make sure you go with LePage. For this project, I'm using PL Premium Max, which is the strongest, most durable construction adhesive that remains 100% solid after curing. It can be used for a wide variety of projects and will provide consistently successful results. If you want to check out all LePage has to offer, make sure you click the link in the description box below.
Okay, look at that. Now the fun part. Building chop site. There we go, got a bench.
I want to thank LePage for sponsoring this video. I have been using their products for years already, so it means so much that a company like this would support me and the content that I create. If you guys have any projects on the go, be sure to click the link in the description box below and check out their products. Thanks for watching. Samurai out.
Why did you bite at this camera? So weird.
So extra.
That's my anime.
Shut up.